Logical problems. Our next chapter for logical reasoning. A logical problem is a general term for a type of puzzle that is solved through deduction. Given limited set of truths and a question, we set through the different scenarios until an answer is found. Logical problem solving can also be understood as the skill of analyzing the information properly and deducting the uncertainties till we reach to the correct answer. So now to understand it more clearly and more properly, let's go through some examples. Example 1. The given problems consist of 3 statements. Based on the first 2 statements, the third statement may be true, false or uncertain. The statements are: Statement 1, Class A has a higher enrollment than Class B. Statement 2, Class C has a lower enrollment than Class B. And Statement 3 says Class A has lower enrollment than Class C. If the 2 statements are true, the third statement is: the options are true, false or uncertain. The right option is option B, false. Let's see how. Now from the first statement we understand Class A is greater than Class B, and from the second statement we understood that Class B is greater than Class C. So that implies Class A is also greater than Class C. But the third statement says Class A has a lower enrollment than Class C, which is a false. Next example. The first statement is: a fruit basket contains more apples than lemons. The second statement is: there are more lemons in the basket than there are oranges. And the third statement says the basket contains more apples than oranges. If the 2 statements are true, the third statement is true, false or uncertain. The right option is option A, true. Let's see how. Now here the first statement says that a basket contains more apples than lemons. So apples is greater than lemons. Then the second statement says there are more lemons in the basket than there are oranges. So lemons is greater than oranges. Now combining both these statements, we are getting apple is greater than lemon, greater than orange. And the third statement we want to say that the basket contains more apple than oranges is true. Next example. The first statement says taking the train across town is quicker than taking the bus. Next statement says taking the bus across town is slower than driving a car. And the third statement says taking the train across the town is quicker than driving a car. If the first 2 statements are true, the third statement is options are true, false or uncertain. The right option is option C, uncertain. Let's see how. Now the first statement says that train is quicker than bus. So we can say the speed of train is greater than speed of bus. And the second statement says that bus is slower than car. That means car is faster than bus. So we can say the speed of car is faster than bus. But both these statements does not prove that either the train is faster than the car or the car is faster than the train. So the third statement, which is saying that taking the train across the town is quicker than driving a car, is not proved. So the right option is it's uncertain. Then we'll see the next example. The logical problems in this set presents you with 3 true statements: fact 1, fact 2 and fact 3. Then you are given 3 more statements labeled as 1, 2 and 3. And you must determine which of these, if any, is also a fact. 1 or 2 of the statements could be true, all of the statements could be true, or none of the statements could be true. Choose your answer based solely on the information given in the first 3 facts. Now here the first fact is all dogs like to run. Second fact is some dogs like to swim. And the third fact is some dogs look like their masters. If the 3 statements are fact, which of the following statements must also be a fact? 1. All dogs who like to swim look like their masters. Second, dogs who like to swim also like to run. And third, dogs who like to run do not look like their masters. The options are 1 only, 2 only, 2 and 3 only. None of the statements is a known fact. The right option is option B, 2 only. Let's see how. Now as you can see, some dogs who like to swim and some dogs who look like their masters are 2 subsets of the set all dogs who like to run. So statement 1, which shows that all dogs who like to swim look like their masters, is not proved. And the statement 3, dogs who like to run do not look like their masters, is also not proved. But statement 2, which says dogs who like to swim also like to run, is true and is proved. That's why the right option is option B. Next example. Read the question carefully and choose the correct answer. The question is, a 4-person crew from Classic Colors is painting Mr. Field's house. Michael is painting the front of the house. Ross is in the alley behind the house painting the back. Jade is painting the window frames on the north side. And Sean is on the south. If Michael switches places with Jade and Jade then switches places with Sean, then where is Sean? The options are in the alley behind the house, on the north side of the house, in front of the house, on the south side of the house. The right option is option C, in front of the house. Let's see how. Now first let's draw the 4 sides of the house, east to west, north and south. Now as per the question, it's given that Jade is painting on the north side and Sean on the south. So let's put both of them on north and south respectively. Now the next condition is Michael is in the front and Ross is in the back. But one thing which is not clear, that whether this house is east facing house or a west facing house. So in this case, let's assume Michael to be in the east. Then now it's said that Michael switches places with Z. Then it's given Z will then place switch with Sean. Now we can clearly see that Sean has replaced the place of Michael. So if the question wants to know that where is Sean, then Sean has taken Michael's place. So the right option is option C, in front of the house.